All right, I am at Johnny's house. Today, we are gonna be unboxing our 100K sub button award for YouTube. Thank you guys for helping us get to this point, and let's see if Johnny answers the door.
Release the hounds!
So Johnny, are you ready to party?
Merry Christmas.
It's our 100K sub.
100K subs, even better! Yeah!
This is the box from the tube of you. Yeah! That is some presentation right there. Oh, look at that. The Cash Money Station. Start on the It's party time.
Oh, now we're partying. That's such a great story.
Finally.
This is the adult table.
This is the adult section.
Everyone's showing up. We're waiting for a couple more people, and then we're gonna have this tournament where we see who's gonna open the sub button. Because we are a team and we all put in so much effort and work into making this happen, I think the button is all of ours. You know what's gonna be hard? Is finding out who gets it on the weekends, and my weekend is first. So, just calling dibs.
Dude.
We're adding 10 cups. 10, and you get 3 tries. Okay, ready?
Oh!
I tried to come back out. There we go.
Fine. I know, what the heck? I'm gonna wear a cup next time.
Johnny, we are removing 4 cups this round. Round 2 has begun. There will be a final round. This is the final round. Me versus Letty. I don't know why I'm here. I never played this game.
Okay, get set up.
For the final round, we're taking away one more rule.
So the way match point works is if one person makes it, the other person has to make it. If they don't, then the person who first made it first wins. But if they do make it, you have to do the process over again, going back.
All right, go. Oh.
If I don't make one, Letty is the crowned reigning champion. And she opens the box. Nope. Oh my gosh. There you go. Then we get to find out what's in the box.
Watch your toes, Brady.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
What's in the box? Good game, brother. All right. Let's get this box. I'm so excited. Let the game in clutch. Am I supposed to put something heavy here in replace of it so the whole house doesn't fall down?
There's a big thing that's gonna roll down, so you have to move fast.
Gotta run fast. Okay, here we go. The box. Make way, Valkyrie. Make way. Right over Valkyrie. The box.
Okay, let's do it. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, look at that. Holy crap.
100K cents. $1 for every
You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Wait, Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan.